How to store your hidden crown hair extensions. When storing your crown extension, you first want to free the hair of all tangles and knots by gently brushing the hair, working from the ends up. Your crown extension came with this awesome hanger that you can hang it on when you're not wearing it. Gently clamp the hanger onto the weft in the weft area, leaving the wire free to hang on its own. Your crown extension also came with this great storage bag to be able to keep it in when you're not wearing it. When storing your crown clip-in extensions, you want to free the hair from all knots and tangles, gently brushing from the ends up. And then you can store it in or out of your storage bag. And last but not least, how to store your crown topper extension. When you're ready to store your crown topper extension, you want to also gently and carefully brush out any tangles and knots, working from the ends up. Your crown topper also came with this great plastic dome insert that is great to use to keep the shape of your crown topper when you're not wearing it. When applying the plastic dome insert, you want to open the clips, insert the plastic into each clip, and then close the clips to secure it. Place it in its box, and that's how easy it is to store your crown topper extension. If you're someone who owns a crown topper and a crown extension, there is an alternative way to store them together. This is the easiest way I find to store my crown topper with my crown extension. Open the very top clip of your crown topper extension and attach it to the hair at the very top of the weft on your crown extension.
We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at accounts@hiddencrown.com and we'd be happy to assist you further. And also make sure to follow us on all of our social media platforms down below to stay in the know on everything Hidden Crown. And make sure to check out these videos that relate to the video you just watched.